of people so fixated on the heavens that it completely dominated their lives down here on Earth.
So we're dealing here with a continuous, advanced, progressive culture that lasted for more than 3,000 years on our continent.
They embraced both extremes. As astronomers, they mapped the lights in the sky with unbelievable accuracy. And as astrologers, they sincerely believed that those lights could predict the future.
They had an advanced, sophisticated system of writing. They had a precise calendar. They had observatories. They paid a lot of attention to the sky. And of course, we try to compare our astronomy with theirs.
Little experiment does away with the kooky theory that somehow the Maya needed the help of aliens from outer space.
The land around here is so flat, the only way the Maya could get a clear view of the horizon was by building the temple very tall. Only on the first days of spring and fall does the sun set exactly due west. Something fascinating happens.
There is the impression of a snake's slithering body.
That strange 27.5-degree rotation is facing at exactly the point on the horizon where Venus sets, on the evening of its northernmost excursion, an event that happens only once every 8 years.
The building is distorted to point out alignments where you don't have natural features on the horizon.
Court represented the universe. The game itself represented the cosmic struggle between good and evil.
The ball was thought of as being a heavenly object, perhaps the sun or perhaps the moon, kept in play.
Natural rubber isn't bouncy. It's made that way through a process called vulcanization, discovered in the 19th century. And yet, the Maya were playing poke-to-poke 3,000 years ago.
Their ancient solar calendar was more accurate than the one we use today. The Dresden Codex, written in the early 13th century, it contains extremely accurate tables
And can still be used today.
Maya could predict Venus's exact place in the sky 100 plus years into the future with 99.9% accuracy, with just the naked eye. The Maya were on solid ground scientifically.
Centuries ago, when they looked up into the heavens, they, like us today, couldn't help but be deeply moved by the grandeur, the majesty, the mystery of it all.